Quick Connect Spray Tips. 5 Quick Connect Spray Tips. 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, soap. Versatile. Nozzles make light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. Pressure output. Tailor the pressure output of the spray to suit your cleaning need. Go from intense jet to gentle spray. Have a blast, clean it fast. Get set to do your dirty work with the Sun Joe Pressure Joe Quick Connect Spray Tip Set. Go from intense jet to gentle spray to tackle your toughest cleaning tasks with ease. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture and cars. Pressure Joe's 5 Quick Connect Spray Tips make light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. With a simple snap you can quickly swap out the tips to suit the project at hand. We've got you covered. Your new pressure washer attachment is backed by the Snow Joe plus Sun Joe customer promise. Top reviews from the United States. Works like new. Don't leave in garage all winter, they will rust. Oil all tips lightly, and when spring arrives put them in the spot on back.